Here's problem 6 from the 2022 AMC 8. Three positive integers are equally spaced on a number line. The middle number is 15. And the largest number is 4 times the smallest number. What is the smallest of these three numbers? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Because the three numbers are equally spaced and the middle one is 15, we can call the common spacing d. Then the numbers are 15 minus d, 15, and 15 plus d. The largest number is 4 times the smallest, so 15 plus d equals 4 times. Open parenthesis. 15 minus d. Close parenthesis. Expanding the right side gives 60 minus 4d. Adding 4d to both sides and subtracting 15 gives 5d equals 45. So d equals 9. The smallest number is 15 minus 9, which is 6. Let's check. The largest is 15 plus 9, which is 24. And 24 is indeed 4 times 6. So the smallest of the three numbers is 6, which is choice C.